How to track stocks. The ability to track stocks effectively can increase a trader's chances of profiting from prevailing economic and corporate conditions. Daily fluctuations in a stock can turn profits into losses at a moment's notice, and vice versa. Closely tracking stocks can mitigate risk and increase profit potential. In order to track stocks properly, you'll need to know what each category represents and how it's relevant to that stock. The primary tools for stock tracking are internet sites that provide daily stock quotes. However, if you don't have access to the internet at a given time or place, you can use almost any newspaper's financial section for the previous day's stock activity. This article walks you through the process of tracking stocks. Finding stock information. Determine the ticker symbol for the stock you want to track. The ticker symbol will be a combination of up to 5 letters, often abbreviating or suggesting the name of the company or one of its products. This is how the stock is identified on stock charts and tickers. For example, the symbol for Apple is AAPL. For help determining a stock to track, see how to choose stocks. Search for stock information on news websites. Enter the ticker symbol in the search field of a financial services website, or use the stock tracking tools provided by most major internet browsers and search engines. For example, Yahoo and Google both offer market information. You can also find daily stock information in the newspaper. Just look for the ticker symbol under the appropriate exchange heading in the paper's financial section. Use your online brokerage account. If you have an online brokerage account, a stock tracking tool is part of your account. Current prices and recent trades will be automatically reflected in your online portfolio. You may also have access to addition tools for analysis and tracking, so check with your online trading platform's help section to find out what you can use. If you have used a premium online brokerage service with a lot of stock tracking features, there may be no reason for you to use any other stock tracking websites. However, if you have a basic, low-fee brokerage service, you may want to use other stock tracking websites that have more features. Set up an online portfolio if you hold more than one stock to help track your stocks over time. Most financial services sites and search engines offer a free portfolio tool. In most cases, all you need to do to establish an online stock portfolio is log in, click on the Portfolio or Finance section and enter the ticker symbols of the stocks you are tracking. These portfolios allow you to enter your positions, stocks you own, and then update their price and total value based on changes in the market. 3. Websites like Mint and Wickinvest.com let you track your portfolio for free. They also have iPhone applications that let you track your portfolio on the go. 4. Real-time stock quotes are usually unavailable through free stock tracking websites. These sites most often have a pricing delay of 15 minutes. To obtain real-time updates, you'll need to purchase stock or sign up for a fee-based stock tracking service. Set up news alerts for the stock. In many cases, your online portfolio or brokerage account may offer price or event alerts for your stocks. These alert you when the price of the stock drops below a certain point or when important information about the company is reported in the news. You can set these services up to send you an email or a text when one of these events occurs.